Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you the way I sharpen my knives. So the material that I used for the disc is MDF board. Now I had access to a CNC routing machine which made it really easy to just duplicate a heap of them just for different grits. The compound that I used is this Josco fast cutting compound. I chose this because some of my knives just needed that extra bit of cutting just to remove a bit more of the material, but it still gives me a nice finish in the end and it keeps it razor sharp. Alright, so I modified this bench grinder so that the wheel travels anti-clockwise rather than clockwise. To modify it, I removed the base from the motor unit and twisted the whole unit around and then secured it from the underneath. This doesn't affect the performance of the bench grinder, but it just allows it to go the opposite way it originally was going. By doing this, when you're grinding, the disc will always go away from you, which means that if it does catch, it will shoot forward instead of towards your body. If it is clockwise, then you run the risk of it slipping and catching. Alright, so I've finished my Japanese Gyoto knife and this will be going to the customer today. It's razor sharp and it can shave hair, which is really good. It's 1075 high carbon steel and I used my system with the MDF board to sharpen it. I'm very happy with the results. I wasn't too sure of how it'd go with the MDF board, but it turned out really well. I'll see you in the next video